अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक वेरी इजी टोमेटो चटनी बना लेते हैं। दिस इज़ विदाउट कोकोनट। इडली, डोसा, अप्पम, उत्तपम के साथ बहुत अच्छा चलता है, इवन अक्की रोटी के साथ। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। टू अ पैन add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of chane ki dal, half teaspoon urad dal, a few peppercorns, and saute for a few seconds. Then add quarter teaspoon zeera, dry red chillies according to your spice preference, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Saute करिए few seconds के लिए, and then keep the flame on low, and then add quarter of an onion sliced. Saute till the onions become soft. Now add 4 tomatoes cut into roundels and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well, cover, and cook till the tomatoes become soft. Once the tomatoes become soft, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After you've added the tomatoes and covered it, don't forget to stir in between. Also add a small piece of tamarind to the tomatoes. If you find the tomatoes sticking to the bottom of the pan, sprinkle a little water. Okay. Now, when the tomatoes are done and they have cooled down, transfer to a mixie jar, add a little water if necessary, and grind to a fine paste. Now we have to season the chutney. To season, to the same frying pan, I'm not using another one. To the same fry pan, add a little oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add a few curry leaves and 1 dry red chilli. Stir for a few seconds and pour over the tomato chutney. Easy peasy, no tomato, no coconut tomato chutney is now ready to serve with rice, idli, dosa, uttapam, akki roti, etc. So don't forget to try it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box along with the method. We'll also be including links to the fry pan as well. If you wish to purchase, you can click on the link. Thank you for watching.